Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested July love and work forecast for Leos. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Leo, this reading is for you. For you, if you know a Leo, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Subscribe, join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website or email us. And you know. If you're trying to message me on Instagram, friends, there are tons of messages. It's very tough for me to get back to all of those messages because I have been away from Instagram since and YouTube also last month. So there are tons and tons of messages which I have not been able to reply. So please try to reach out through the website or through that's the best way to book a reading. And be patient, friends. Yes, I'm fulfilling your orders. Be patient, and thank you so much for your love and support. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to watch the pick a card reading for July. If you want to watch the Hindi Urdu versions of these readings and the pick a card readings, you can also watch them on my Hindi channel, Hindi Urdu channel, Magic Vents Tarot Hindi Urdu. And friends, you can also check out the English versions of the pick a card reading on this channel. Let's see, Leos. So, what is the theme of the month for Leos? Let's see that. Oh, okay. So a new start is coming. You are definitely moving out of challenges. Look at that. The Fool, the King of Swords, and the Six of Swords. So, Leos, you are definitely going for a new start in life, a new start, a new, a new expansion. I feel this is expansion in your life, not just a new start. It is like your life is expanding, your horizons are changing. You are not only getting your wings, you are learning to fly also, Leo. So, yes, an expansion, a positive expansion is happening in July for you, a new start. Some of you could be traveling, relocating. Some of you could be ending or letting go of past people, past situations, bidding them bye bye, and feeling liberated, feeling free. Yes, you are moving out of challenges, friends, Leos. You had faced a lot of challenges in the past. But in July will be a better month for you. You can definitely count on that. So the focus will be on getting out of past troubles, challenges, blocks. Yes, those are things of the past. This is a more smooth sailing month for you, friends, Leos. Yes, and opposites attract. Yes, you could be attracting an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person in the month of July. Another thing I feel, Leos, is this is a smooth sailing month for you. Not many challenges here. Wow, air signs are definitely important for you. Another thing I'm feeling, Leo, is that news and messages are coming. News you are waiting for, messages, communications are very, very important for you. Some of you could be going back to colleges or, wanting, some of you will start learning something new, music, some sort of a course. Some of you might start teaching also. So interview, you are taking some seminars or something like that. So you are teaching, you are learning. A lot of focus is on communications. What else? Okay, a lot of cards wanna come out. Let's take some. Let's take one. Yeah, you had faced a lot of people were not kind to you, friends, Leos, in the past. People were treating you, or some sort of trickery happened. All of those things will be coming to light. So whatever was hidden, Leos, was will be coming to light. It is like the ultimate dawn happening for you. It is like the veils are lifted for you, Leo. So well done. And a positive expansion. News messages you are waiting for, they will be coming for you in the month of July. And you feeling a sense of power, you feeling a sense of accomplishment, you feeling that, yes, a sense of victory. You fought hard, you won it. Let's see your love life, Leos. Let's see your love life, Chariot. Yes, very fast month, very, very fast. Your own energy, the Queen of Wands, the Two of Wands, the High Priestess. Love life for Leos in the month of July, the Sun, the Nine of Swords, King of Wands, Temperance, July, the Lovers, and the Four of Pentacles. What else? The Three of Pentacles, which came out in reverse. Funny, weird. No reversals, but still cards jumping out in reverse. The Six of Swords, the Six of Wands, the Page of Pentacles, the Page of Four of Swords, and Ace of Wands. Let's see how your July will be in love, Leos. My throat sounds so husky, unusually hot. Yeah, I'm not trying to do anything here. It's just, it has that rasp. Husk. It has that husk in it now. I can't help it. All right, friends, Leos. So yes, I do feel you will. Leos. This is your own energy, the Queen of Wands. You could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sag, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person in the month of July. I do feel where you start the month of July feeling very, very, very powerful. You will feel very attractive. You will feel in your power, in your game, in your sense of like yes, I can achieve it. I can attract, and you will be ready to go, ready to soar, take charge of your love life. Some of you are definitely single and you want a new relationship. For others, you are coming out of a breakup, or you are ready to make some changes, some important changes in your love life, your marriage, your relationships. So yes, the first week is very quick. Your focus is on self love, your focus is on taking mature decisions regarding your love life, and you are dealing with somebody very intuitive. You are also dealing with a twin flame connection or a very, very intuitive connection in the first week of July. So listen also, if you are really single, new people are coming. Even if you are not single, new people are coming for you, Leo. So listen to your intuition. This is a very fast week. Before you know, the first week of July is gone, and your focus is on self love rather than loving anybody else. And I'll be very, very honest here. You want to love yourself. Good thing, Leos, good thing. In the second week of July, someone who is a little anxious or worried, they are coming back, friends. Yes, they could be an Aries, Leo, Sag, your divine masculine, your divine feminine, the person who ghosted you, blocked you. That person is coming back and they are like trying to get your attention. They are like, hey, look at me. I'm so sweet. Look at me, baby. But I feel like, you are like shining, Leos. You are shining bright. So this person is like, they want to get your attention. They will try to unblock you. They will try to reach out through your common friends. Your twin flame, divine masculine, your husband, wife, everybody is, they know you are shining, Leos, and they want you. And also this person is trying very hard to stay in balance. I do feel they might be going through some communication issues or some sort of anxiety, stress, or health issues, but they are trying to recover from it, and or they are trying to portray that they are balanced now, they have healed. Because you are shining so much, Leos. People want you. People want you. If someone lost you or they left you, they regret it and they want to come back. So the second week is about people coming back. People are like, hey, I can't live without you. They are begging you to come. So yes, let's see the third week. Third week is a bit challenging because you are still not sure, Leos, whether you want to take this person. The attraction, you guys might be opposite, so there is opposites attract, there is attraction. You feel attracted towards them, you feel love towards them, but you are still not sure, and they don't want to give up on you. They want to fight for this connection, so someone will keep chasing you in the third week also. And you are like, why is this person after me? And they are like, nope, I'm not gonna give up, I'll keep chasing you. But this person might be a little, I feel like this person doesn't talk a lot, Leo. So that's why you are a bit frustrated. You are very expressive, you are outgoing. This person seems like an introvert. So you're like, what is going on with this person? Why this such an introvert? Communication issues are definitely affecting your love life, marriage in the third week. And yes, the lovers, yes, you will be having some choices to make or break in love, and some choices to kiss and make up. Yes, lot of choices in love. To focus on love, to focus on fighting, to focus on ego, focus on the issues, differences, or focus on the similarities. So a lot of choices are there. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, you don't want to settle. You are not going to compromise, Leo. So your person is going to compromise. So you're very, very clear. Like, I'm not going to compromise. If they want me, they'll compromise. So good thing, but let's see what they do. In the final week of July, I do feel that your person will try to speak and express more. They will try to open up emotionally more to you, and they will try to make you an offer of settling down together or getting married to you. I do feel if other people were affecting your relationship, third parties were affecting, they will try to cut that away also. And I do feel they will be more successful, and they will be successful to win you at the end, Leos, because in the fourth week I do see you saying yes or being convinced by this person and you falling for them. It is, of course, a relationship of attraction, passion, and true flames, true twin flames. And the Five of Pentacles, yes, you are recovering from your trust issues, a lot of trust issues, a lot of blocks. You will recover from that. Your love life will recover, Leo. So let's see the advice for you. Phew, powerful month. Let's see some advice for our beautiful Leos. Oh, partnerships and alliances. So, yes, I do feel that, look at that, you are still connected to the person. Your person doesn't want to let you go, and you don't want to let them go. So, yes, there is a connection there, and deception and envy. You are upset with people who have deceived you. You are upset with people who keep on, ghosting you, blocking you, or people who are just not trustworthy. So you don't want that. And somewhere you are also feeling that, people are giving you bad vibes on your love life. So you are a little worried about evil eye or something. Transformation, big changes are coming for you. So don't worry, The advice for you is, don't worry about the third parties. Don't worry about other people. Things are going to change positively in your love life. So focus on love, focus on good things. And fertility, yes, chances of getting married, chances of getting pregnant are very high, and chances of starting or blossoming a deep connection in the month of July are very, very high for you. 13 and 3, 3, 13. So it is like one and the same thing. So 3, 3 is again double. So body, mind, and soul. That is what you need. A relationship on body, mind, and soul. Spiritual, emotional, as well as physical. And you're gonna get it. Let's see your work and career, Leos. And still we will not be getting any views on the readings, which is funny. Yeah, YouTube is a harsh place in when it comes to views. It's not very fair, or it used to be fair in the past, but not anymore. But that's okay, friends. It's okay. If we start caring about these things, we might as well stop working. Most of the content creators will do that, because it's not a fair playground, but that's okay. So, in your work and career, let's see, Leo. Yeah, you want to achieve something, Leo. You are a little disappointed, and with your work and career and finances also. Some of you want to change your work. Some of you are like, I am done with this job. I am done with this career. I can't go on. You want to change, and yes, I do see some of you will be changing your work, leaving or quitting your jobs and moving to businesses, or quitting your business and moving to another idea, another business, another learning. Some of you are going to colleges, trying to learn something new. So big moves, big changes. I also feel that you want to achieve, you want to make your family proud, you want to make people around you proud. Some of you have family, so you want to support financially your family. I do see that, yes, financial security is very important to you in July, and it will happen for you. A lot of money is coming for you. I do feel that some of you will get a lot of support from people in your family, or friends or colleagues who are your family. You will find people who will become your family at work also. I also feel some of you may start working away from home. Like, you want to change your city or something and relocate somewhere, and it will be a lucky move for you. For others of you, I feel you might actually move back to your home, closer to your home, and it will be a lucky move. Another thing is, this will be a very, very busy month for you, Leo. So get rest right now, because you will not have any time in July to rest, because a lot is happening. you will not have much time to socialize. I do see family will be important for you in July. Like, your grandparents want to meet you, guest wants to meet you, but you are like, hey, I'm busy, I'm busy, I'm busy. So you are busy. Emperor, yes, you are taking charge and taking control of your destiny. You will not wait for anybody else. You will not wait for opportunity. You will create your opportunity, Leos. You are very, very powerful, Leos. So, this is like, this month you are expanding. This month you are connecting with connecting with your power. You are exploring the unexplored. So, go for it. Let's see some advice. Very powerful, Leos. Taking charge, yes, taking charge, take action, yes, you are taking charge, that's what. And you are going to believe in yourself, your intuition, your mind, your heart. You're gonna believe in yourself, Leos, and trust. You can, if you work hard, you can definitely achieve success in whatever you want. Some of you could be definitely changing, quitting jobs, moving to somewhere else. Romance and connections, yes, chances of romance or chances of finding soul connections at your work is very high. I also feel some of you may actually start working uh, within your family, like with a lover, or you may find love at work. Wow, no. Look at that. Oh my god, I have never seen a specific no or a yes card come out in these general readings. So, this is important. I don't know what you asked, but the angels are saying no. For Let's clarify, what is this about? Okay, some of the cards. Let's just shuffle. I feel like, what you are waiting for, the change you are waiting for, it is coming. And you are very protected. So don't worry. What does this know about? Intuition and downloads. Listen to your intuition. I think your intuition is telling you when you need to make this change. Some of you are like, we need to change now. But I think this no is about when, timing is everything. The timing is not now. You know when the timing is right. You will get the messages, downloads. You will know. Follow your intuition and look at that. Blessings and abundance. Yes, when the time is right, you will get the abundance. You will get it all that you want to achieve, Leo. So follow your intuition. It's very, very important. And when this know is about timing. When is the time? The time is, you will know the timing. You will not be wrong about the timing. When to change, when to leave. Vultures, depression, anxiety, worry, someone is against you. I think some of you are actually anxious about your work or about your career, or some of you are going through health issues. You will recover from that. Rabbit, too much concerns with sexual matters. Happiness, yes, you will find happiness. September is important. September is important for you, someone born in September. Lion, time to act, yes, be passionate, but also intuitive. Lobster, financial pinch. Career, yes, changes in career. A younger person is important. Any other cards? Let's see. Wheel, positive changes are coming. Torch, spiritual enlightenment, awareness and understanding. And November, so September and November are important, Leos, and this is your birth month. So something amazing. Happy birthday, Leos. And something amazing is happening for you. A new expansion, a new liberation is happening. So just be patient with yourself, don't hurry yourself. And happy birthdays. And subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Insta. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.